AquaGuard Blaze Insta. Top features: UV, stainless steel tank, instant hot water, dual dispense, technology, child lock, health protect, 365-day high storage capacity, smart LED indication, energy saving mode, technical specifications, weight 11.5 kilograms to 12 kilograms, dimensions, WXDXH, 355 by 355 by 520 millimeters, installation, type wall, mount, tabletop, storage capacity, 5 liters plus 0.6 liters, hot, power consumption, 770, heater, 750, watts, purification modules, SETI filter, chemi-block, reverse osmosis, cartridge, UV e-boiling, active copper booster cartridge, TDS regulator available in 2 variant 1 row plus UV,